Hi, I'm Adelaide. We're coming to you live from the Hong Kong FinTech Week 2018. We're here with Oliver from KVB, sorry.
No problem.
He's the CEO. So how are you today?
I'm good, thank you very much, and very happy to have you over here. We have been working in the financial industry for about 20 years. We started in New Zealand and we're then moving to Australia, Canada, and also Hong Kong. And our main business is on financial services, foreign exchange business, helping people to grow in the future. I mean, this is what we've been doing, and technology is also one of our key strengths. We are very glad to be in this particular spot because, over here we have a lot of people showing how they can use their technology to help people, help customers, and we're in the same spot. I think diversity and also technological advancement is one thing that we really focus on the Hong Kong market, and there are just so many things that are so amazing in here. It's really inspiring. KVB actually, we've been working for the past 20 years, and we're trying to use our technology to do financial inclusion. And by financial inclusion, we're not exactly talking only about how to digitalize people's way of doing foreign exchange or wealth management or risk management, but we're also helping them to penetrate all this technology into their business, to making this a more flexible or more accessible ways. Because we feel that small to medium enterprise, they need equal opportunity to access the same products which the VIP customers are actually using, not by their size, not by their turnovers, not by the profit they're making, but they do have the equal opportunity of accessing those products, and this is exactly what we've been trying to do. So eventually we want to create an ecosystem where we can provide them the same level of products, the same level of opportunities, and also helping them to grow into their future, to increase their soft power so they can survive this harsh competitive environment. And also our key idea for creating an ecosystem is we want to try to partnership different providers, different people into this ecosystem, not just by us alone, but with the banks, with the other tech providers, but other software providers, so we can create this thing so big and so good for our customers, so they can have this one-stop solution and just grow, just be successful, and that's our goal. Yeah.
That's great, because obviously recently it's sort of financial inclusion is so important right now.
Yeah.
And so you said you moved from Beijing to New Zealand and to Hong Kong.
Yes.
How do those three countries differ in terms of their ability to provide sort of financial inclusion and sort of technology to people who often don't have access to things like that?
Well, that's a very good question because when we're talking about financial inclusion in New Zealand, in China, and also in Hong Kong, they're different. For example, in New Zealand, we don't have like 4 million populations there. Financial inclusion is something by providing the software, providing the products to the people in the country. But for China, where you have WeChat, have everything, people are so connected using our social media. Financial inclusion is something else. But in Hong Kong, we have 7 million people. People have access to systems. They have access to products. But the way is how to make them use those products better. That's, in my view, is the financial inclusion. How we can make sure all of the customers, they survive better or they can utilize the tools better. I mean, that is the thing. Not just by accessing the customers, the products, but how you can make them better.
That's great. So what type of products are we talking here?
Yes, we're actually leveraging our technological platforms so we can give our customers an equal access. When they're accessing our platforms, they can use our experience accumulated over the years. They can use for example, our guys over here, they have their sample cases from before. They can demonstrate exactly what kind of product they have so they can mitigate the risks. So we're using platforms plus the consulting, plus the experience, plus the trading, plus the liquidity, everything inside one system. That's why we're saying we have to provide them with a one-stop solution, and that's what we're doing.
That's amazing. So in terms of the Hong Kong sort of ecosystem, how is that sort of panning out? Are you sort of starting to really get some good systems sort of growing here?
Well, that is actually a very good question because we are also among one of the 29 virtual bank applications, this year, and we hope that, if we're lucky enough to get the license, then we would like to use our technology, our experience to create this ecosystem that of our own, and we want to have financial inclusion really that we can benefit to our end customers, making them survive better, making them to access more equal opportunities, and that's where our goal.
That sounds great. So you've been here 10 years now, was it?
Well, with the company for 10 years, yes.
Yeah, and how long have you been in Hong Kong for?
Well, just over 2 years.
Over 2 years, and how are you liking it here?
Well, it's a fantastic place. I think it's the right spot for growth, and I think the government is actually creating a very good atmosphere for everybody to thrive. But we want to contribute what we can to this market.
That's amazing. Anyway, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
So for people who want to find out more about what KVB does, do you have a website or sort of some social media that people can follow and keep updated?
Well, actually, www.kvbkunlun.com, that's our website. People can access that. We have a very landing page for this particular event. So feel free to join, feel free to signal questions. We can answer them one by one.
That's great. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much.
Everyone else there, please subscribe to our channel to keep updated down below on the FinTech Week this week. Thank you very much.
Thank you.